Well, it was a good thing that I brought the tortoises in because we got a lot of snow. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot. Well, a lot for Texas, I guess. But I wasn't planning on making this video. I have another video lined up, but I just couldn't help it. I had to make a snow video, a snow vlog for you guys. I thought I'd show you guys the results of that snowstorm and kind of talk to you guys about how the emus are doing and how the goats are doing, because it's everybody's first time ever even seeing snow. It's the dog's first time seeing snow. It's the emu's first time seeing snow, and it's the goat's first time seeing snow. So, watch out, Shango. Surprisingly enough, emus are pretty cold tolerant. I was a little nervous leading up to this day because I didn't really know, how the emus would handle the weather. But for the most part, from what I read and what I learned, emus are pretty cold tolerant. Some may say they even enjoy the snow a little bit. Although, I don't know if they were enjoying it last night. Now, the three-sided shelter that I have for the goats and for the emus, the wind blew some snow in it. So, if you look, the wind did blow some snow in here. But luckily, this side is all dry. And when I step in here, it's significantly warmer than if it's outside, which is good. But when I came out here earlier this morning, the emus were inside of here, which is a good thing because I wanted them to be out of the elements. They tend to like to roam and sleep under the trees, but I'm glad they were able to come in here and stay out of the elements a little bit. Nothing brings goats and emus together more than snow. Tonight is actually going to be even colder than what it was last night. It's going to be dropping down to the low 20s tonight. Then for the rest of the week, it will gradually, slowly start heating up. So these guys, we just got to get through tonight, and then we'll be smooth sailing from there. So you look like I brought my hammer because I was going to hammer what's up, but the water is all frozen. These guys' feathers are all frozen. Oh, buddy, I know. Little kitties. But I have never, ever experienced anything like this before. This is nuts. I mean, we literally just had a hurricane 6 months ago, and now we're basically we were basically in a blizzard. So just really crazy weather, but I am glad that I brought the caiman and the tortoise in because that would have been bad. Although the power didn't go out last night, which is a positive. So the power didn't go out last night, but definitely a good idea to bring them inside just in case of any accidents. I got dinosaur tracks in my backyard. But like I said, emus are surprisingly cold tolerant. They can handle a multitude of habitats. They just need a way of getting out of the wind, getting out of the rain, getting out of the snow, and they'll be fine. Same with the goats. They are going to be cold, but they're able to regulate their internal body temperature to a nice normal level, which is what we need. And they do that pretty well. So glad they're all doing well out here. I'm going to give the emus some food. I'm going to try to, I should probably try to give the goats some food too. I don't know if they'll come out here to eat, but at least give them the option in case they want to. You know who is enjoying their first snow though? These guys, huh? Aren't you? Yeah, you are, aren't you? Aren't you? You enjoying your first snow? But yeah, being from California, it rarely snowed where I grew up. Maybe once ever where I grew up. So the weather here in Texas, how bipolar it is an adjustment. It's been an adjustment for sure for these past 2 years, but everybody's doing well. The goats are doing well, the emus are doing well. It's gonna get cold tonight again, but it's not gonna be snowing anymore. But yeah, we're doing well. So just wanted to give you guys that update. And I think I'm gonna go inside because I can't feel my fingers anymore. So make sure you guys comment down below what you guys thought of this video. Let me know how you guys handled the snow wherever you're from, wherever you're watching this from. Make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. And please, please, please share this video. Until next time, everybody, my name is Pierce LaValle. We are in Pierce's Planet. And remember, it's all about the reps, baby. Peace.